The 31st participant in the Silva Challenge is Bo Ahlgren. Back to the tub. Let's start out with this plane, since you know I like to throw planes in there. This one is a Matchbox Tornado. That's kind of a neat looking jet. The rockets are kind of funky on it, but boy, I'm not sure what's the best way to put that in the box. There's no good way. Maybe I'll try that. How about an old... Let's see, this is an old Lesney Matchbox Superfast shunter. Yeah, it's like looks like a little locomotive kind of thing, which I guess is what a shunter is. The plane's gonna drive me crazy, I can see that. Okay, this has got to be a Batmobile. Yeah, it's Batmobile. It's got to be, right? It doesn't say which one, but it does have Hot Wheels and DC Comics. So that's obviously a Batmobile, because Lord knows they're doing a lot of Batmobiles. I threw a combi into the tub, and I want to get rid of some combis. I want to see what people can do with them. I've done some Gaslands combis. I'd kind of like to see what other people do with them. See, yeah, I know the plane. The plane. Green light, 2012 Ford Focus. That's a neat little car. It has nice wheels on it. Screwed. I was gonna say it does screw together, but one screw's missing. There's some stuff in here that's I received some cars that were partially started by other people, by another builder, and so I threw some of those scraps in here too. This looks like the Big Air Bel Air. This might have been off of something I started, for all I know. So I know I did a Big Air Bel Air 4 Horseman Gaslands a while ago. Oh, we got a plane. We got that in there. How about a Matchbox mobile crane, which is obviously missing the crane, but the rest of it's there. That could be kind of cool. Let me do something interesting with that. Yeah, the colors on that are horrible. What's that thing called? The Open Roadster. Yeah. I don't know, the red and the purple just aren't working for me. Maybe they'll work for you. Flipping the Batmobile upside down, buying myself some more room in there. What's that? This is almost like the Putrid Colors tub. 2016 Hot Wheels. Is it an art car? It doesn't say what it is. It's a plastic body, metal base. The yellow portion is the base that you see there. That can go. I there could be some nice stuff. Okay, here we go. Porsche 917 LH. Yeah, Lee Perry has a Gaslands kit on resin printing kit online that I used for build a while back, and it can be used on a variety of castings with a little work. Vendetta. This looks like it does something. I mean, it's like you can see the plastic drivetrain through it. So what's the point? Oh, is that my problem? I'm thinking there's a reason for the way they design these things. Yeah, that probably is an incorrect assumption. You know, Bo, I don't want to give you... That's the Lego car. I don't want to give you all horrible things. Although it is fun. Chevy Silverado 2019 Trail Boss LT. That's a nice rig. The wheels are screwed up, but yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, I forgot. Put them on their side. I forgot I learned that last time, and look, I already forgot that quickly to stick things on their side to give me more room. Okay. Maybe you can't teach an old dog new tricks. God, what is this, a Fairlady Nissan? Yep, Nissan Fairlady. That's a nice looking car. It's missing the wheels. It looks like somebody started it already, so it must be from that. I believe this is from, I mentioned earlier that I had I finished a casting for another builder that I found out later had passed away, Danny Bracken, and I believe that's from Danny. That was in Danny's batch of cars that he had started. I believe this is too, which is the Roger Dodger Magic 8-Ball. These that are kind of taped together, I think these were in Danny's stuff. That's missing the interior and engine, but the body of the Roger Dodger is just so cool. So let's get that in there. And because I've got so much stuff, I need to lighten my load here, people. How about a NASCAR? We'll throw that in there. Get that in there. And it looks like probably to finish it off, let's go with this old Lesney Foden cement mixer. Yeah. That might be fun. Might have some fun with that. Okay. So I think that's the cars. And yeah, we're good to close. Okay. Some 3D parts. These were some that I had printed for myself to do a build, but I think I'm just going to throw all these in here right now. I did different sizes of the rockets. There's some small sets and larger sets, which is what I was after, and some larger guns in here, so that's kind of cool. And then let me get out this tub of stuff. Let's see. Throw some obligatory skulls in there. I really need to resin print some skulls. More guns. And smaller guns. And exhausts. And engines. The engines are making me think of something I was looking at working on now. Huh. Yeah, let's throw a couple more in there. These wheel sets that I mentioned last time that I really like. I'm really liking these wheels. So those are the large ones. And then 4 of these smaller, same pattern ones. Front rams. Pins. Tanks. I think that's it. So, sorted loose panels in here. Yeah. Yeah, I know. And how about one of these skulls? Just for luck. Okay. I think that's it. I believe that's it. Yeah. So I hope this looks like fun, Bo. I hope you have a blast working on it. That's what these things are all about. It's also for me to thin out the load and for you to have a lot of fun. I really love seeing what people come up with on these builds. All of the builds have been a lot of fun to see the end results, and I hope you all enjoy this as much as I do. So, everybody, stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.